Hello children, hope all are doing good. Fine. In your previous class, you have learned subtraction without borrow and with borrow, and also you have solved the problems that has addition and subtraction together. Now in today's class, as I have said you, we will discuss with the word problems that are related with both addition as well as subtraction. Now if you take out your page number 105 in your textbook, you have your word problems, children. Now let us discuss those word problems. Now see, there were 350 cars in a parking lot. There were, how many cars were there? 350 cars. 1168 more cars came at 10 o'clock, at 10 a.m. If there is a place for 2000 cars in a parking lot, how many more cars can be parked? The simple, children, you have here three numbers. With the three numbers, what to do? We have to add as well as we have to subtract. Now what is the problem given? How many cars came to lot? First, 350 cars. So first we received 350 cars for parking, right? After 350 cars, again few more cars have come. How many? 1168 cars more have been added. Apart from 350, again few more cars have come. It means total how many cars are there? We need to add these two numbers. Okay, and next, if there is a place for 2000 cars, actually that parking place can accommodate 2000 cars. After coming 350 and 1168 cars, still there is a space left over for more number of cars. Now you need to check it out, how many cars still can be accommodated in that parking place. So first what we are going to do, we have to add how many cars have come so far. So 1168 and you are adding 350. 8 minus 0, sorry 8 plus 0 8, 6 plus 5 11, 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5 and 1 as it is. So total how many cars? 1580 cars. But actually the space is for how many cars? 2000 cars. And after parking 1518 cars, still few spaces left over. And in that space, how many more cars can be accommodated? How many more? It means from total number of cars, you have to subtract already cars that have been parked. 1580. Come on, from 0 I cannot take 8. From 0 can I take borrow? No. So from 2 changes to 1. 0 changes to 10. Again 10 changes to 9 and 0 changes to 10. Again 10 changes to 9. 0 changes to 10. Now 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, how many more cars can be accommodated? 482. So, you are doing addition first, then subtraction next. Got it, children? Next, see your second problem. For painting a school building, Tom first bought 975 liters. So, they want to paint a school building, children. Now, they need a paint, am I right? To paint the school building. So Tom first how many liters he bought? 975 liters he bought first. Again, and then again he bought 875 liters. Again he bought 875 liters. For the together we need to check it out. Now listen children, first he bought 2 times. Paints he bought 2 times and he started painting. So when he bought 2 times, he has clubbed those paintings. He added those liters of paint. Am I right? Now let us add these two. And 875. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over 1. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Carry over 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So total how much paint he bought? 1850. Now from this 1850, he has used 1125 liters of paint. Now you need to find out what is the quantity of paint left over. So what we are going to do to get how much of paint is left over, we are going to subtract from the total paint he bought, and we are going to subtract the quantity of paint used. That is 1850 minus 1125. From 0 I cannot take away 5. So I am taking a borrowed. 5 changes to 4 and 0 changes to 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the quantity of paint left over children? 725. Now when you have such type of a word problem children, don't concentrate on how to write the statement. You leave about writing the statement, but you concentrate on what are the numbers we have to add and what are the numbers we have to subtract. Got it children? If you see your third problem, Jaya bought 5075 balloons of different colors. How many balloons she bought? 5075 balloons of different colors Jaya has bought. Now what is she doing with the balloons? She distributed 2295 red balloons. Total balloons how many she bought? 5075. Okay, I am just explaining you this thing children. You have to solve all the word problems on your own. Now total balloons she bought 5075. Out of this 5075, she distributed red balloons. How many red balloons she distributed? 2295. And blue balloons also, because these balloons contains different colors. And blue balloons 2187. So among these 5075 colored balloons, Jaya distributed 2295 red balloons and 2187 blue balloons. How many balloons were left with Jaya? So it means from these two she distributed these balloons. Now how many balloons are left over? What are you going to do? First you check it out. Total how many balloons were distributed? Total how many balloons were distributed? You are going to add these two numbers. Okay. And after distributing you will get total number of balloons. Now this answer whatever you are getting it, you are subtracting it from the total number of balloons so that you can calculate how many balloons are left over. Got it children? So don't concentrate on framing the statements. First try to think about and try to understand the word problem, which numbers has to be added and which numbers have to be subtracted. Hope you understood the three problems how I have made you to understand to add and subtract. Try to listen more number of times what I have explained it to you and try to solve the leftover word problem children. Okay? Hope you understood. With this you have completed your chapter subtraction and also your term syllabus. Okay children? Thank you.